Good morning from the Netherlands again. It's cold here and we're going to start this Benelli 125 Sport Special from 1968. Very good condition. The bike has Dutch papers. Really cold here. And it's the first one we have in our collection, and I think it's very difficult to find another one again. And it's very nice. Look at this beauty. And they go the other way, like this. See? Engine runs really, really nice. Look at the details here. With the pump. I will make a lot of detailed pictures from it. Clean it a bit more, then you can also get very detailed pictures from the bike. Very nice bike. How cool is this? So if you're interested in this Benelli 125 Sport Special 1968, contact me. We can get you an offer, also inclusive delivery worldwide, and we can do that for interesting prices. Okay, thanks for watching again, and don't forget, keep following us, more videos to come. We have a lot of beautiful bikes we are going to make videos from. Thank you, bye bye.